Hello, welcome to problem solving using C. In this video, we will discuss one of the derived data type in C that is called union. What is union? Union is a kind of user defined data type. It is similar like a structure, right? So this holds the different data types in same memory location. That's the difference between the structure with union. It holds different data types in the same memory location. You can define a union with the various members, but only one member can hold a value at any given time. Union provides the efficient way of using the same memory location for multiple purposes. The syntax to define and access a union. A declaration of union must start with a keyword called union, followed by the union name and union's member variables are declared within the curly braces. Let us see what is a syntax. Union is a keyword, that is a name has to give, that is the defined by the user, that is a custom type. Then you can declare the union members, right? So these members are individual declaration. So each one of them have a different data types and close curly braces and terminated by semicolon. How do you access the union members? This is very important, right? You can access, you have to create an object of union. You have to create an object of union to access its member. That object is a variable of type union. Union members are accessed through dot operators. Between the union object and union members. Let us see that syntax. That union, you have created the union name is an object of this union of that object is a union variable dot. You can use that. Like that you can access the member of the union. Before that you have to create the object of union using that object, and also dot operator you can able to access the member of union. Let us see this union through example how that it works, right? Look at that. I have the union, one of the union has created for a student. Student can have a name and roll number, and you can have a student CPI, then backlog. These are the member of union, and create an object of student, that is a union student, that is student 1, right? So then you must terminate it with a semicolon. But one thing you need to remember while you creating a definition of union, you need not assign a value directly within the definition of union. The value you should not accept. If at all, if you assign a value, you will get the compilation error. Look at that example. If I assign this value directly that union member within that definition, you will get the compilation error. Okay. So then you understand how to declare the union and what is the speciality of union, how to access the union member from outside. Then now you can see what is a structure difference between or comparison between the structure and union. So first comparison is a basic level. You can try to understand this. Separate the memory location is allocated, separate memory location is allocated for each member of the structure. But whereas in union, all members of union share the same memory location. So same memory location, right? So one more, it is keyword. While you are create the definition of structure, you have to use the keyword struct. For union, you have to use a keyword union. Then how do you calculate the size of the union? That size of the structure which is equal to sum of size of all the data members used in the declaration of the structure. Whereas union, size of union is the size of the largest member exist in the union declaration. Store value stores the distinct values for all the members. They have distinct values. Each one of them will be allocated in different memory location, so that will be distinct. But whereas in union stores the same value for all the members. At a time, structure stores the multiple values of different members of the structure. But whereas in union stores the single value at a time for all the members. How do you declare the structure? It is similar to the union only, but thing is that, so there is both are declaration same, but allocation of the memory will be different. Look at that. So character of this data type is char. It occupy 1 byte of memory. What about the A? Its data type is int. It occupy 2 bytes of memory. What about the F? Its data type is float. It occupy the memory 4 bytes of memory. So each one of them occupy different memory location of having its type size. But whereas in union, it occupy 4 bytes of memory. Why? Because the largest member of that union, right? Which is the largest? This will be the largest memory location, which size that will occupy. Then first F will be allocated. Then within that, the A could occupy the 2 bytes of memory. Then C could occupy 1 byte of memory. This way you can share the memory location for all the member, same memory location. Right? Once you understand the difference between the union and structure, then where can use the union, right? So what are the application? You can use it for mouse programming, then you can use it for embedded programming, then also you can use it for low level system programming language, right? But a better usage of union, a better usage of memory location in any of the low level programming language, the union should be the better one as compared to structure. With this, you'll understand that union, what is union, how to declare the union members, then how do you access the union members, then what is the difference with the structure, then what are the application of union. We could use this union in a different application. With this, I'll stop the video. So do you have any doubt? Please you have to comment in the comment box. Keep subscribe and encourage us. Thank you.